Today in this video we'll see how to change different time setting in the Windows machine. So sometime it will be a case that you have to change it because you cannot access some website or for any other reason. Then to do that, just go to the search box, different time setting. Then in my case, my time zone and time are set automatically. So you can turn it off and do manually, or you can just put automatic, just turn on all the on option. If you want to do manually, just turn off and then change the time zone and time manually. Then also you can hide the time and date from system tray. So if you click it, it will go back and you can sync as well, and you can check additional clocks here. You can change the time and date from here as well. So this is how you can change the time and date setting in the Windows machine. If you found the video helpful, please like and comment the video, and also subscribe my channel for more educational content. Thank you.